Hi everyone, Tammy here, welcome to my channel, and I'm going to be unboxing this adorable doll. She's a Disney classic doll called Tiana. She's from The Princess and the Frog. And let's see, just little stats on her. She is 11.5 inches high. She's supposed to have a fully poseable body. We'll see about that when I take her out of the box. And I picked her up online at the Disney shop. Along with the doll, there's this little clip-on pendant here. We'll see how that looks. Obviously that's just plastic, and these dolls right now at the filming of this retail for $16.99. However, I did get a sale on this. I got 25% off, and they do have sales quite often, I think, on the Disney at the Disney shop. They're also available online. I've seen them on Amazon. I don't know the release date of this doll. I have to admit, I've been looking. She's not the first release, that's for sure, obviously. But I don't know what the actual release date is. I wasn't able to see anything online. When I look on her box, I really don't see anything. This is almost impossible for me to read anyway. But I've seen other dolls like this that looked a little bit different than she does. So yeah, I don't know. If anybody out there knows what release she is, let me know. Or if there's someplace I could find the different releases. I'm just now starting to possibly collect these dolls. So anyway, I popped open this here a little bit. I'm going to unbox her for sure, even though I do like her box. But let's take her out here. I don't want to scratch her. Ooh, girl, cool. There we go. Okay. So this is really pretty. It's like a sort of a mesh over another layer. And they have a little tissue in here to protect her. That's good. They've got her strapped in here and here with her hands. Includes a clip-on character pendant for you. She's got pretty hair. It's nice and curly. I love this little addition right here. So the back of her box doesn't look too bad. I'm used to Blythe dolls, so this is a walk in the park, folks. So that's got her, is that her hair? Yeah, that's anchoring her hair in there. Little things off her hands. I'm very curious about her body. Whoop. I wonder how poseable. I can see all these little joints here, so makes me also wonder if she might be a good doll to get extras of for bodies for other doll heads. Oh, she's got this wire. Take the wire out of her hair, girl. All right. Get the This is wrapped around her legs. Oh, she's got cute little shoes on too. There we go. Let's move her around. Yeah, arms are looking good. A little stiff. Not too bad though. Her head tilts nicely. Oh, is that little something on her back there? What's that? Okay, so it's got the Disney mark on the back. This is all one piece. Oh, it looks like she has painted on undies. Let's take a flip-de-doo here. Yeah, her undies are painted on green. Just gonna flash you. Yeah, green undies. They are permanent. Her legs are much softer than her arms. Her arms are like a hard plastic, and her legs, do they bend? They kind of remind me of Well, no, they have the notches in them. I was going to say like adults, but you can bend them twice. No, maybe just once. Yeah, just one bend. So they're kind of Barbie-ish in a way. So yeah, I mean, it's poseable, but let's see. If she was going to sit and I wanted to bend her legs, that's about it. That's not super... If you were going to sit her down, let's see how... Yeah, her legs are not that bendy. They just, it's really one notch. So, not super poseable to me. It says fully poseable, but I don't know. Those legs are not the best. If I'm missing something here, let me know. I'm sure I'm not the only person out there who's collecting these dolls. But yeah, she's probably not going to be sitting around a lot. I don't know. Does she sit like that? I guess she can kind of sit. Of course, she has a big poofy dress on. And her shoes are tied on with little elastics. I think for now I'm going to leave them on so I don't lose those tiny little shoes. And there's no stand with her. I don't know if she'll stand by her on her own. I guess let's give it a shot. I would be really surprised if she can, but let me try it. Yeah, I don't think she can. No, she's going to be one of those leaning dolls, I think. Yeah, there's no way she's going to stand by herself. So that's too bad. I wish they would. I mean, I know they're very inexpensive dolls, but it would have been nice to have a little stand with her, because that just makes it easier for display. Her hair's up in this little ponytail. In fact, is that wire? I think that's wire in there. And she has this pretty crown. The crown looks like it is wired onto her head as well. I don't really see me changing out these dolls, changing out their clothes so much. I see these as more display dolls. But I was curious about how poseable the bodies were in case I wanted to, you know, get some for just for switching out doll heads. I'm not sure if I'm, you know, for the price though, I guess, especially if you get them on sale, this might be doable. And especially considering she's got this beautiful dark tone that is difficult to find for dolls. So she might be an option for somebody if you're into switching out the dolls. Oh, look, they have these little tied together. Oh, I wish they wouldn't do that. See, now that's a hole in her skirt because of this little tie. And there's really no reason for that. Huh. But overall, considering the price, and it came pretty quickly, even though the mail is pretty wackadoodle. And this actually came out of Canada, and I'm located in Florida in the U.S. So I think I probably waited maybe a week, maybe week and a half. Yeah, I think I'm sold on these dolls. What do you guys think? I mean, these are not life dolls, I get that, but yes, I think I'm sold on these little princess dolls for just some fun little collecting. I'll have to see. I'm going to unbox another doll that I got, so keep an eye out for her. I have Snow White still. I'm looking over at some of the other dolls. I'm pretty much sure. I think I'm going to get Alice in Wonderland. I almost got her this time, but she's probably a for sure. And there's a few other dolls I'm looking at over there right now. But yeah, this doll's super cute. Yeah. All right. That's it for this unboxing. Thank you all for stopping by and spending a little dolly time with me. I always appreciate it. I appreciate a thumbs up as well. And please make sure you hit the bell icon and subscribe so you get notices of future videos. I have more doll videos and, of course, doll crafting and craft-related videos in the works. Have a wonderful dolly day. Bye-bye.